Hello and welcome guys. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add Bonfire coin to your Trust Wallet and how to also buy Bonfire coin on your Trust Wallet app. Step by step. Alright, let's get in. First of all, you're going to have to locate the browser in which you're using. I'm currently using the Google Chrome app. Yours could be the Safari browser or any other browser you use. You simply click on your browser or open up your browser and search for coin market cap. Forgive my spelling error. Once you're in, you click on coin market cap, the first website you see, and you'll be taken to the coin market cap homepage where you simply search for the Bonfire coin by simply tapping on the magnifying glass icon or the search icon, whichever is best. And once that's done, you search for Bonfire and it will definitely pop up. Here we go, as a crypto asset, Bonfire. Now all we need to do is copy its smart chain network or its contract address. All we need to do is copy its contract address by simply clicking on the copy icon close to the MetaMask icon. Once that's done, you've copied it, you minimize the app and you go straight to Trust Wallet. Whilst you're logging into Trust Wallet, you'd be met with a prompt to input your passcode like so. Once you've done that, you quickly click on the toggle to your right hand side of your screen, the top right hand side of your screen. You paste the contract address and you add it to your Trust Wallet app. And once that's done, we're going to be going to the bottom right corner of the screen again for the dApps section. Once at the dApps menu, you scroll down till you find the pancakeswap icon. You click on it and you'd be taken to the pancakeswap website. And once you're in, you make sure you check the network you're currently on and make sure it's at the smart chain for this particular coin. Once that's done, you simply exchange or input its name when you're selecting a token. You could either paste its contract address, which brings it up, Bonfire, and you click import, or you could simply search for Bonfire. You click on I understand and you click import, and now you could sell your BNB for some Bonfire. Let's try. About 1 BNB is equivalent to a good amount of Bonfire coin. Alright guys, thank you for joining us. If you have any questions on how to add and buy Bonfire on Trust Wallet, comment down below, and thank you for tuning in.